Hello. Now, let us say you're given a question like this. This is a sketch of a graph. It's not to scale. It's not drawn to scale, but it's just a sketch, but it's good. It will help you understand these concepts. Now, this question is asking you to interpret this graph. Just by looking this graph, we have cost in shillings in the vertical scale, and we have mass in kilograms in the horizontal scale. Sorry. Now, the mass in kilograms is cited 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to here, this is 4 kilograms. This is 50, 100, 150, 200. That is 200 shillings, 150 shillings, 100 shillings, 50 shillings, and so on. Now, let us go to the questions. What is the horizontal scale? Remember, this is the horizontal scale and this is the vertical or horizontal line, vertical line. So the vertical scale, the horizontal scale. So when you ask what is the horizontal scale, this distance represents 1 centimeter. This also represents 1 centimeter. This also represents 1 centimeter. And finally, this also represents 1 centimeter. So if you ask what is the horizontal scale, because you know this is the horizontal side, you say 1 centimeter because the distance between each kilogram is 1. So you'll say 1 centimeter represents, rep for represents, 1 centimeter represents the first one. The first one is 1. So it is 1 centimeter. The distance is 1. Represents 1. Even the difference between 2 and 1 is 1. The difference between 3 and 2 is 1. So 1 centimeter represents 1 kilogram. Okay? It is as easy as that. What is the, maybe you asked, what is the vertical scale? The vertical scale will be 1 centimeter because the difference between the shillings, the money, is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter represents the first one, which is 50. So 1 centimeter for the vertical scale, it will be 1 centimeter represents 50 shillings. Next question. How much would Kosgei spend when buying 3 kilograms? Just use your line graph and interpret that. If 1 kilogram is 50 shillings, 2 kilogram is 100. What will be 3 kilograms? 3 kilograms will be 150, correct? So 3 kilograms will cost 150 shillings. So that is how much Kosgei will spend buying 3 kilograms of maybe the sugar or etc.